Give it to me straight, Doctor.
Well, Mrs. Lawrence, I hate to be the one to tell you this, but, you have genital herpes.
Not funny, Mark. That is some messed up role-playing.
I thought this would be the best way to tell you.
Son of a bitch!
Ratchet!
You're so hot.
You are.
What in tarnation is going on in here? Y'all are first cousins.
I know. That's what makes this love so strong.
Ratchet!
That's $137.47.
You accept DBT, right?
Ratchet!
All right, ladies, 2 Long Islands. What can I get you?
To my beautiful daughter.
And to my beautiful mother.
Can I get another one? Today?
Sure.
Ratchet! Ratchet!